We have chickens. I love my chickens. And we decided that we wanted to add some different breeds into our flock. So I got on our local chicken farming page and I just asked some questions about purchasing some fertilized eggs. And in true Facebook fashion, I was met with some scams. So I had some fun. It started out innocent enough, pretty straightforward, typical sale. But slowly, some red flags started popping up. You don't need my home address? No blizzard. Now at this point, I'm doing everything I can just to occupy their time. Maybe stop them from scamming another person. And here I am throwing my husband under the bus.
It's all for the cause, dear.
My husband's gonna love this one. Come back for the update. Hopefully I can keep this going for a while.